Electricity. It powers our homes and lives, but sometimes the terminology can leave us in the dark. Hello, I'm Tyler Hallberg, your certified electrician at Golden Rule. In this video, we'll shed light on common electrical language mistakes and provide answers to your burning questions. Let's kick things off with one of the most common mix-ups, fuse box versus a breaker panel. Here's the deal. A fuse box, an older system that uses fuses to protect circuits. When a circuit overloads, the fuse melts and cutting off the electricity. Circuit breaker panel, more modern and convenient. It uses circuit breakers that can be reset after tripping. No need to replace fuses. Now, let's address some common defects you might encounter in a main breaker panel. Overloading. Make sure circuits are appropriately sized to prevent overheating and fire hazards. Worn breakers. Replace worn out circuit breakers that show signs of wear or fail to trip when needed. Improper wiring. Incorrect wiring can lead to safety hazards. Always consult a professional electrician to address wiring issues. Let's clear up another misconception. Fuses. These melt when overloaded and need replacement after each blow. Circuit breakers. They trip when overloaded but can be reset, saving you time and money. No, they're not the same. An electrical panel is an overarching term that includes both fuse boxes and circuit breaker panels. It's the heart of your electrical system. In conclusion, understanding electrical terminology is key to a safe and well-functioning home. When in doubt, consult a professional electrician for inspections and repairs. From your trusted experts at Golden Rule Electric, we're here to keep your home safe and well lit. If you have any electrical questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay safe and remember, knowledge is power.